everybody, it's me Megs, and I am back with a hair video. This is going to be a deep conditioning video. I just purchased some a new deep conditioner that I'm really excited about because I've been seeing it on YouTube, I've been seeing it on Instagram, and I have seen it on Facebook as well. I've seen kind of like the short tutorials of, you know, influencers reviewing the product, so I was like, I'm gonna go ahead and purchase this and try this out myself, because what was really intriguing about it is that the conditioner had all natural ingredients. So what is the brand? I purchased the Natural All Club, if I'm pronouncing that right. It is the dry hair solution deep conditioner, and what really was intriguing is that these are all natural products, and they come in this little pouch. This is the 2 ounce. I originally purchased one and then figured, oh, I probably should get another one just in case, because I am quite heavy-handed when it comes to conditioners, but I'm hoping a little bit does go a long way. So a little bit about this, being that this is all natural ingredients, like you're gonna have to, like, you know, store it in your freezer until you're ready to use it. So, but what's in it? You know, what's in it? There's avocados, water, shea butter, coconut oil, extra virgin olive oil, glycerin, tea tree oil, lavender essential oil, vitamin E, citric acid, and I don't know how to pronounce this one. Is it guar gum? Fresh avocados are rich in potassium, vitamin E, protein, vitamin A, vitamin K, fiber, folate, vitamin B6, vitamin C, copper, and protein. The natural oils and nutrients of avocados make it a great treatment for hair. And vitamin E is powerful, fat soluble antioxidants that helps repair and build hair tissue. When you apply vitamin E to your scalp, it helps reduce inflammation and repair damage to the follicles, and encourages growth in healthy follicles. It also deeply conditions the hair from the root to shaft to make it healthier and shinier, and even prevents premature graying. So when you go on the website, it gives a description of what each ingredient does. That was just the first ingredient that I read, which is the avocados and the vitamin E in here, which is I'm really excited about, because I'm really excited too, because this product, you know exactly what everything is, and you can pronounce pretty much everything. You know me, it's hard for me to pronounce things. So on the back of here, it says how to use. Store in the freezer until ready to use. Thaw for 2 hours before use. Dampen hair with water. Apply deep conditioner throughout. Let deep conditioner sit for 20 to 40 minutes. Rinse out with your usual cleansing products. For best results, use 1 pouch of Natural All Club deep conditioners every 2 weeks. So I don't know if me unthawing both, if that's okay to use, but I'm gonna go ahead and use 1 patch and see. So I did wash my hair already, so it's completely clean. So I do have my hair sectioned off into sections. I got the dry hair solution because I wanted something that was moisturizing. So it has like a tear little thing here. Ooh. And the shipping was pretty fast too. It took me about, what, 3 days to get my stuff? Oh yeah. Yes, when I smell it, it smells wonderful. It smells like things that are familiar to me. Yeah, yes, I'm very excited about this. So I'm actually gonna pour this into here. Hopefully you guys can see it, what color it is. It's a very natural looking color. So this is what it looks like, y'all. Sorry if it's like really washed out. Let me turn another light out and see what that does. Okay, all my lights are turned down and off. So it's a really nice natural look, okay? And it smells really good. All right, so I am gonna spray my hair down just a little bit more because it did get a little dry. Okay. So I always apply my conditioners in sections, so I'm just gonna go ahead and take this. It smells good. What does it feel like? It kind of feels, it's kind of thick. Okay. Feels good. Mind you, this is my first impressions. Oh, I've never used this before. I've never bought this before. It's my first time purchasing it, And I'm seeing that it's really kind of like really getting into my hair. Putting about that much in there. I do feel like it's like melting into my hair, like it's giving my hair a lot of slip, like a lot. Wow. It feels really good. Ew. It smells really good too. It's like really smooth. So what I'm gonna do is, like I always do, I'm just gonna really go through each section and apply it. What I will say with this conditioner that I noticed, that it doesn't coat the hair. It's really like, I notice it's really going into my hair. Like it's not just sitting on top, it's like really absorbing into my hair. Like I feel like, yes, it's getting the goodness that it needs. Because you know, like when some of the conditioners, you can see it like just sitting on top, and I don't see it. I know my hair feels really smooth and it smells good, which is a plus. Now what's interesting with this, it doesn't say cover with a plastic cap or anything, it just says leave it on. So I'm just gonna twist this up. It smells really good. Like that's the color of it. Like you can definitely tell that there's avocado in there for sure. Yeah, this is, I have to say, this is a lot different from what I'm used to. Like a lot. Like a lot different. I definitely do feel the tea tree oil tingling up and through here. I do feel that, which feels nice. Okay, so that is a plus. And I notice it is making my curls pop. Okay, so I have everything applied now, and I honestly think that I didn't really look on the website like that to see, but I know they have another, I think it's 9 ounces, I'm not sure, but they have like a larger pouch of conditioner that has a nozzle on it, I think. And I feel like that might be better for me, because with me opening up these two 2-ounce packs, I do have product left over, and it's just a little bit, and I hate to waste it, and I don't know what I should do with this, being that I squeeze it out the pack, and on the instructions it says freeze prior to use if you're not going to use it immediately. So I have this all applied, and I will say this does not feel like a traditional conditioner. I wouldn't say traditional, but you get what I'm saying. It doesn't feel like all the ones I've had in the past. It kind of feels more like, even though it is a deep conditioner, it feels more like a treatment. It does feel like more like a treatment. So this is how much I have left over. So I'm just gonna try to figure out what to do with this. I'm just gonna put the rest on here like this. I'm just really gonna put this on here like that. Okay, so that's what I'm about to do. Sorry if the sun is throwing us off now, because the time is changing. Yeah, girl, I don't know if I'm supposed to be doing this, but I am. I just don't want to waste. I really don't. So I'm just gonna put it on the perimeter, on my edges. And I am gonna put a plastic cap on this. I don't know if I should put heat on my hair, as far as like sitting under a heated cap to get even more conditioning, a more penetrative situation going. I don't know if I should do that. But I will say with this on here, my hair feels a little, it feels soft. My hair overall, it feels really soft and does have slip, but when I twist it up, it does feel a little stiff. And I don't know if that's just because it's my hair, I have a tighter coil hair, or what. Now, I know some of you like, is this for all hair types? From my understanding, this is for all hair types and curl and coil types. Okay, so I'm putting this on my nape too. I'm trying to get rid of this. All right, I think that's good. I think that's good. But yeah, it feels definitely more like a treatment. Okay. Okay. The directions don't say put a plastic cap on, but it's just what I'm used to. That's just what I'm going to do. Okay, so I'm gonna let this sit on for about 45 minutes because I need to do a couple of errands really quick. When I am running errands, I normally put something on top of here. I don't just go out with a plastic cap on my hair. So, and my errands don't require me getting out the car. Really, for real. Well, one does, but it's not like I'm in front of people. So, like I said, I'm gonna let this sit on for 45 minutes and I will be back with it rinsed out with my final thoughts. Okay, y'all, so I literally just got out the shower. Like, literally just got out the shower. And my hair feels so good. Like, my curls are definitely wrinkling up. My hair hasn't shrunken back up because I literally just took it down. But when I get out the shower, I kind of twist my hair up in a clip and let it down. But my hair feels so good. Like, it feels amazing. Now, I will say there isn't as much slip with my hair as it would be like some other kind of conditioner that I normally use, but it feels like my hair definitely received a treatment. Okay, you guys, I am back with my results. I did a twist out. I put multiple twists into my hair, and I feel like my hair feels and looks really good. I really like the conditioner. I think I will be purchasing it again. I really love the slip that it gave my hair, but it was like a different type of slip that I'm not really used to. It wasn't like the traditional slip. It didn't feel overly silky. It felt like there was definitely natural ingredients in my hair, and my hair really took to the ingredients that is in the conditioner. Like, I feel like my hair was really like, you know, cared for. I got some, you know, a real treatment. Like, it ate the product up versus like sitting on top of it. So I felt like it got its vitamins and its nutrients. Like, it felt like it ate the conditioner up, because I just feel like my hair overall, it feels different. It feels so good and so soft. So yes, I like the conditioner. I will be getting it again. The directions say use every 2 weeks, so I'm going to be purchasing it again. If you guys have tried this treatment out or conditioning treatments, let me know in the comments below. And if you have tried any other new conditioners, let me know in the comments below, because I am always on the hunt to try out some new products. So as always, thank y'all so much for watching, and I'll talk to you guys later.